What's going on, miners? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. As you guys know, I am solo mining Bitcoin still on my little Gecko Science USB solar miner. This is the lottery machine I built. If you guys didn't see that video, go check it out. I'll leave a link above. But I missed these vlog videos, so I'm going to start bringing them back. Just kind of want to go over what I have in the works right now. So what I want to do is take this solo miner that I actually just overclocked, thanks to Lil Time Mining for giving Mr. Hot Crypto the ideal overclocks. He actually clocked it to 505 versus the 250 that I had, and it seems to be running pretty stable. But the highest I've seen it get up to is about 400, but it averages around 330, as you guys can see. So either way, we're going to be getting that machine up and running on the lithium ion battery from yesterday's video. If I can get out of this stupid bubble wrap door. This guy right here, I want to get it wired up to the inverter. So this is a 12 volt DC to AC 110 inverter, right? Now I'm going to plug in that solo miner and I want to see how long it takes to deplete this battery entirely. I'm just going to run it 24/7 at whatever watts it's at. Now that it's overclocked, it's probably around 20 or so. And yeah, I want to see how long it can last. I mean, let's give it a shot. Not going to kill it because it's not lead acid, so that's cool. So that's what I'm doing in one of the next upcoming videos. And then this guy right here, this is a Chia miner from Evergreen. They actually sent this to me about 2 weeks ago. I got no time to do it, and then I got sick last week. So this is the week we're going to be messing with this. So probably in the next couple days, you guys will see a video for the Evergreen miner. Until then, if you got one of these, go check out Hot Crypto's video. He's amazing. Did a good one. Now let's go into my garage, and I'm going to show you what used to be 3D printers and what it is now. So my desk used to be like right here on the wall with my screens, and I had like a rack here with a bunch of 3D printers and just like random stuff on it. And then over there where the monstrosity of a playhouse is now was where all of my 12 3D printers were, and like the whole operation was like all over there. It was crazy. I actually had that bathroom blocked off because I don't have a door for it anyways. Had a whole bunch of stuff here, and now it's been taken over. So building my kids a playhouse last couple days. It's been pretty fun, but I gotta do all the cutting when the wife gets home because the kids cry from the loud noise. So either way, the reason we're actually in here, check out these iPolos. I got one here heating this bathroom. It's not really heating the bathroom, but it's just heating this entire garage. I got one there. I got another one back there behind my daughter's car. And then one actually right here on the ground. The gold iPolo. So those three machines are literally heating this entire garage. So they'll be able to play and do their whole thing inside here. I didn't put this piece of plywood on. I think I'm going to build this section out. Not that it matters to you guys, but my kids are having a blast in this thing. It's hysterical. So either way, that's what I've been up to. I've just been going crazy heating my garage with iPolo miners. So hopefully you guys stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and yeah, we'll be messing around with this little guy, and then we'll go get this thing in the trailer. I actually do want to plug this hub into the Mars lander and see if a second USB will actually run on that Raspberry Pi. I already did try to do it off camera. Here's a picture of it. It didn't work because it needs a powered USB. It can't pull that much power from the Mars lander. Don't tell the company I did that to their unit, but I thought it was pretty sick, and it would have been sick if it actually worked. But either way, hopefully you guys have a good day. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.